What steps should I take to prepare my home for sale? Selling your home, let's make sure it stands out from the rest. Before you list, getting it market ready is key to attracting serious buyers and scoring the best price. Today, I'm sharing how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market. I remember one homeowner who thought their place was ready until buyers walked in. They loved the neighborhood, but immediately noticed small issues that could have been fixed, and we ended up losing an offer. That experience proves just how much first impressions matter, whether it's your first time selling or you have sold before. Taking the right steps to prepare your home makes all the difference. It helps your home sell faster, with more money, and with much less stress. Before you make your move, let's go over these steps to ensure that you're all set for a successful sale. Number 1, clean and declutter. This is the foundation of any sale. Buyers need to be able to imagine themselves living in the space. And that's hard to do if personal items or clutter are everywhere. Start by removing excess furniture and personal photos, and make sure surfaces, carpets, and windows are sparkling clean. If you can, hire a professional cleaner or organizer to help. This can really elevate your home's presentation and make it stand out to buyers. Number 2, make your home move-in ready. Before listing, take a close look at both the inside and outside of your home. Fix minor repairs like leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or peeling paint. And boost curb appeal by mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, planting fresh flowers, and refreshing the front door with a coat of paint. Even small improvements can make a big impact, signaling to buyers that your home is well maintained and move-in ready, which attracts more serious offers. If you have a previous inspection from when you bought the home years ago, now is the time to review that and make sure everything in it is taken care of before you list the home, so that you can make the best first impression possible. Number 3, stage the home. Staging your home helps buyers see its full potential. You don't have to hire a professional stager, but it helps to rearrange furniture to highlight the flow and functionality of the rooms. Consider renting modern, neutral furniture if your pieces are outdated. Light, neutral colors tend to make spaces look larger and more inviting. Don't underestimate the power of a well-lit home. Number 4, price it right. Now that your home is looking its best, the next most important step is to price it correctly. Setting the right price is crucial. If it's too high, you risk scaring off potential buyers. If it's too low, you won't get the full value of your home. As a local expert, I can help you analyze comparable sales in the area, current market trends, and buyer demand to come up with a price that attracts offers and gets you the best return. It's important to trust a real estate professional who knows your neighborhood to help you set a competitive price. Number 5, partner with a good real estate agent. Selling a home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all the dots, from preparation and pricing to marketing, negotiation, and timing. A good agent will guide you on which updates actually matter, help you avoid over-improving, and position your home to attract the right buyers from day one. They'll also handle showings, feedback, negotiations, and any curveballs that come up during the process. Most importantly, the right agent advocates for you. They protect your bottom line, keep the transaction on track, and help reduce stress so that you can focus on your next move with confidence. Always remember that when your home is prepared well, priced correctly, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert, you put yourself in the strongest possible position for a successful sale. Preparing your home for a sale doesn't have to be stressful. With the right strategy, simple updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. If you're ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, or marketing, give me a call or send me a message. Let's get your home sold for the best price in the shortest time.